2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, body color door handles, steering wheel controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.